I'm Miya. Welcome to AUTOMPACK. We are the manufacturer with a professional R&D team. Today, I'm going to introduce you this small granule automatic vertical packaging machine behind me. The model number of this machine is ATM320C, economical, multifunctional, and easy to operate. This machine can make multiple sealing bag types: pillow seal, free-size seal, four-size seal, cassette seal, pyramid seal. Optional equipment can be date coding device, nitrogen gas filling device, hole punching device, cassette device, continuous bag device. The packing range 5 to 500 grams product. The frame of this machine is stainless steel, which is durable and clean. All the contact foot part of this machine is 304 stainless steel, which meets the hygienic standard of full QS. This machine is suitable for packing peanuts, beans, granule candy, pet food, rice, sugar, corns, detergent powder, seeds, and other kind of solid granules. Look at this part. It is the film roll device. It is easy to install the film roll. We can use laminated film on this machine, like this color film or clear film. Look at here. It is the color mark sensor. It can track the color mark on the film automatically to make the bag length. It is the automatic ribbon coating machine. It can print production date, expire date, and lot numbers. Let's take a look at the automatic cup filler. This cup filler can do automatic measurement and filling the granule products. We will design the volume of this cup specification according to product target weight. We have two types of volume cup device between large particles and fine particles. It is made of grade 304 stainless steel. It is the bag former, made of 304 stainless steel. The packaging film is pulled into this bag former by friction. The packaging is simple and beautiful with a humanized design. Different bag making equipment can be replaced to different bag widths. One machine can pack bags of various widths. Here is the vertical sealing device to seal this side. The horizontal sealing device to seal this side of the bag. Color mark accurate positioning system avoids the sticking brace and waste material